Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Altium Designer for EV power electronics layouts, full guide step by step clearly. To activate Altium Designer for EV power electronics layouts, start by downloading the Altium Designer installer from the official website. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file in your downloads folder and double-click it to begin the installation process. Follow the prompts in the installation wizard to set your preferred installation options. When prompted, choose either a standalone installation or a network installation based on your needs. Once the installation is complete, open Altium Designer for the first time. You will be greeted by the activation wizard. Select the option to activate your product. If you have purchased a license, enter your license key in the provided field. Ensure that the key is typed in correctly, even a small error can prevent activation. If you are using a trial version, select the option for trial activation. Sign in to your Altium account if prompted, or create a new account if you do not have one. After entering the necessary information, proceed to click on the activation button. Once the activation process completes, you will receive a confirmation message. At this point, you can start a new project by selecting the appropriate template for EV power electronics layouts. Familiarize yourself with the software interface and the various tools available for your layout needs. Begin by setting your design parameters according to the specifications of your EV project. Utilize the schematic capture feature to create your electrical diagrams. After completing the schematics, move on to the PCB layout editor to design the physical board. Make sure to check for design rule violations during the layout process. Utilize the built-in simulation tools to verify the functionality of your design. Regularly save your work to avoid any data loss. Once your design is complete, generate the necessary manufacturing files required for production. Finally, review all components and connections before finalizing the design. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.